For years I tried to leave this poor man's valley on a train that's on its way to richer ground. Where rivers never overflow and dreams cannot be drowned, but the train never stops at our town. I'd like to buy a mansion for my darling, away upon a mountain looking down. I know there's restless gold out there just waiting to be found, but the train never stops at our town. Failure has to find something to blame, and the only thing that's left is that old train. The darkness of the night catches me crying. A whistle soon will blow a lonesome sound. A spark of hope becomes a flame each time the train slows down, but the train never stops at our town.